Hello, this is Jeremy here with SkipperBud's in Bay City again. Here we have a 2017 180 Four Winds SS Signature Series. Boat is like in mint condition. Very, very low hours. Just give you a brief walk around of this. This boat is powered by a Merc Cruiser, 200 horse, 4.3 liter. As you can see, the outdrive is in great shape. As you can see, the interior is in just as good a shape as the exterior. No rips, no tears, no nothing. As far as the upholstery goes, beautiful dash with the Hook 5 GPS/fish finder, snap-in carpet. Like I said, truly a great find for somebody that's looking to get on the water and wants a great mint condition boat. Again, this is Jeremy here at SkipperBud's in Bay City. Give us a call.